Now that you have finished the unboxing, let me help you set up your TCL Smart Google TV for the first time. First, you need to make sure that you have connected your TV to power and put the included batteries into your remote. Then boot up your TV, and we will begin the setup process by selecting our language. Then select your region or country, and now select which type of setup you want to go with. Basic TV won't let you do anything except view live TV and connect external devices, so we're gonna select Google TV for sure. Then you'll get prompted to continue the setup using Google Home app, but you can also choose to set it up using your TV remote instead. At this point, you need to connect to the internet so that the setup process can continue. After connecting to the internet, go ahead and log in with your Gmail account. After logging in, you need to hit accept, and you can also uncheck these settings if you want. Then you'll get a prompt to set up Google Assistant, so we'll press continue, and you need to hit allow if you want to use Google Assistant. Then hit accept, and choose the services you want to install. After that, hit confirm. Select your TV mode, which will be home. Agree to the user agreements, and choose if you want to turn on automatic updates or not. Now you'll get a prompt to pair your remote so that you can use it via Bluetooth. For that, just press the home button and the OK button together until on your TV screen it says it's paired. Now you won't need to point your remote towards your TV to use it. As you can see, the setting up process has begun and it may take a few minutes, so be patient. Great job! Now your TCL Smart TV is ready to entertain. Now if you want to add the cherry on top, you can watch our video about the best picture settings of your TCL Smart TV right here. And that's all. So sit back, enjoy, and don't forget to tune in for more.